Hello guys, review Infinix Note 60, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device in the teal color, protected film, and in complementation adapter for charging, Type-C cable and protected back cover in this. Okay, we have metal edges, glass on the back side and the front side, power button, volume buttons, sensor key, smart key on this side, speaker, first speaker, main speaker on the downside, Type-C and slot for SIM cards. Turn on device, we have Super AMOLED display, 144 Hz. Very good display. Open settings. Infinix XOS 16.1.0, Android 16. Dimensity 7400 Ultimate CPU. Infinix X6879 and Open Geekbench 6. Single core score, multi-core score results. GPU test results and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, close this and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. Game load and load on the high graphic level. Game looks good. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.